Dear all, welcome to Civil Services with ZAKI. And as you know, we are today going to discuss about the 4.6 billion year old meteorite origin of Earth water, and it is related to UPSC-PT 2023 prelims series and basically current affairs series. And as you know, it is related to the geography because the water is the one of the most significant for the humanity and human life. So basically in this video we will discuss about the origin of water and where water come from earth. So to earth. So we will start with the topic, but we first want to introduce. We only have a few video left for this 2023 PT, and as you know, on 28th May your PT is basically going on. So for PT or mains, please join our app and also join our regular class in various places, as you know, in Jamia and all that area. So and various coachings in Delhi. So that's why. So let's we move forward and see what are the today's subtopic, and see here today's subtopic. First, the young solar system. So in this topic we discuss about the early stage of the solar system where impossible to find water or basically the form an ocean. Another is the analysis of the meteorite. So what is the new research and what is the analysis of the meteorites? So easy. So detection of water in a nearby protostar. So scientists recently discover basically water in nearby protostars, and also the protostars also named as V883 Orionis. So it is basically situated in Orion belt. And another is mega question for UPSC-CSE 2023, and as you know, it is 5 most probable question for the 2003 PT. And as you know, these questions are one of the most significant topic, and one of the most significant because in previous year in 2022 direct 22 question asked these video. So that's why see, you can see all 22 questions. So this is very significant because if you see the ecology, environment, geography and science and tech, basically it is contained about 40 to 45 question in the prelims. So that's why these topics are one of the most significant topic for the civil services examination. So we move forward and see what is the context. So in the context, an ancient meteorite that crash landed in the UK maybe have solved the mystery of the mystery where the earth water come from. So if we see the water, so where come from, and about 4.6 billion year old basically this space rock which landed from the family home in the England, basically Wincombe. So in February 2021, basically it's contain water closely resembles with the chemical composition of water found on the earth. So the water basically found on the earth and water found in these meteorites are same in chemical composition and chemical structure also. So that's why it is the one of the most significant discovery. So we move forward and see the this space rock. So this is a space rock, and basically meteorite landed basically drive away of the town of the Wincombe in February 2000. So this space rock is about 4.6 billion year old. It means the age of our earth. And solar system also. So we move forward and see the young solar system. So when the solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago, so if you see when the rocky inner planet and young solar system first coalesced, and basically, as you know, the basically these planetesimal are collided with each other, and finally they taken the shape of the planets like our Earth. So basically, at this situation, gas and dust basically blowing near the sun. So basically at that time the sun is too close. Basically our star means sun is too close, so it's impossible to form ocean. So in fact past certain point, also you can find a certain point. So this is sun and this is inner planet and this is certain point. So if a space rock enter at that point, they directly evaporate. So in this situation, this line is called frost line. So frost line means no ice could escape from the evaporation. So basically making the young earth being basically barren and inhospitable basically for life. As you know, water means life. So it's impossible to find water at that time at early earth. So we move forward and see the scientists think about the basically the situation changed after earth cooled, and when icy asteroid from the outer solar system, basically these icy asteroid from the outer solar system brought frozen water to our planet, and these frozen water are basically melt, and finally the rain covered and finally the ocean form. So let's we see the analysis of meteorite. So after the analysis of this meteorite, so see now a new analysis of the Wincombe meteorite. So this meteorite is also known as Wincombe meteorite. Scientists concluded that water is likely delivered to the earth via unmelted or chondriatic meteorite. So basically this type of the meteorite are called chondriatic meteorite, means non-melted, and another form of the meteorite called achondritic. So achondritic means melted, and basically this is chondriatic one, it means unmelted meteorite. So this research published in the November 16 in 2022 in Journal of the Science Advances. So basically this research basically support the theory the water come from the interstellar medium. So the analysis of Wincombe meteorites give insight how Earth come to have water, the source basically much of the life, as you know. So researcher will continue to work on this specimen for the year to come, and unlocking more secrets to the origin of our solar system. So in future we may know more about the formation of our solar system about this research. So we move forward and see this is the situation, and this is called the frost line. So any asteroid water come from, they evaporate, but some of the meteorite, unmelted meteorite situated in this area, it is our proto-earth. So see here, this is H2O means hydrogen, and two molecules, white means oxygen and hydrogen. So these type of asteroid, and finally these type of asteroid basically form basically water in our earth. So if you see here, so this type of the meteorite come from where? Like you know, this is glass and this is water, it means. So or some of the drain. So this drain came from another place. So where? It come from the refrigerator. So it means this is meteorite and this is earth, and the refrigerator is another interstellar medium. So these link basically discovered in this research. So this type of the link missing in the past, and nobody knows about how actually water come from basically. So that's why this research is very significant. So let's see, this is the dash line illustrated here, so the boundary between the inner and outer planet, and also the asteroid belt roughly between the basic, as you know, this is Jupiter and this is Mars, so this is called asteroid belt, and basically it's so the water molecule attached. So if you see the bar, right, it's water molecule attached with the meteorite. So let's move forward and see detection of water in nearby protostar. So as you know, protostar means here one of the example, it is meteorite. It means for example, I am Earth, water come from here, but water basically the source of this water is basically come from fridge or tap or where. So basically these type of the tap is the protoplanetary protostar. So if we see, the scientists studying nearby protostar had detected the presence of water in circumstellar disk. So circumstellar disk, it means you assume it fridge, or you assume it tap or weather or water tank. So the new observations made by Atacama Large Millimeter Submillimeter Array, and you can sort of call it in short ALMA, mark the first detection of water being inherited into the protoplanetary disk without significant changes its composition. It means same water that present in our Earth. In this research, also one of the surprising result, because these type of the protoplanetary water is older than the age of the Earth. It means Earth is 4.6 billion year old. This is about 9 billion, or maybe about 8 to 9 billion year old, this type of the, because it is a protostar. So that's why it is also a new surprising. So if you consume the water on Earth, it may be this water is older than the age of the Earth. So let's we see the circumstellar disk here. In, as you know, we provide you the best animation, best graphics and all that. So that's why please subscribe our channel, tell your friends and share with your groups and all that. And if you want to help us, so please donate us, scan this and donate us. So that's why, so we can run our team and our channel. So we see this animation. So see here, this is basically a circumstellar disk situated in the Orion belt, and basically it is called V883 Orionis. So see here, you see here, this is, so this is, see how vastness of this. So this is V883 Orionis protostar, and if you see here, so see the water basically situated in the huge range about the 80 AU. See here 80 AU, 80 astronomical unit. So see here, it is 5 AU, and this is a protostar V883, and this is circumstellar disk, and this is H2O water. Same composition as found in our Earth. So same composition found in our Earth. So it is 5 AU2. So we move forward and also know about the V883 Orionis. So basically the V883 Orionis is a protostar located roughly about 1305 light years from the Earth at the constellation of Orion. So basically it is situated in the constellation of the Orion. So the new observations of the protostar have helped the scientists to probable link between the water in the interstellar medium and the water in our solar system, and by confirming this have a similar composition. So this is similar composition. It may be our water come from this circumstellar disk. So that's basically the tracking of the water, history of the water in our solar system. So that's all about the 4.6 billion year old meteorite reveal this type of the story of our water come from. So if you want to know more about the water resources, so you can subscribe our channel and see lots of video regarding the water resources and all that. If you see the geography, science and tech and all type of the video, you can find our channel. So now our channel have more than 300 videos, and so please subscribe our channel. So as you know, you are basically your viewership is very large, and basically you can watch this video and all that, but please also subscribe our channel. If you are already subscribed, then share this video. So let's we move forward and see why this is significant for your civil services examination. So see here, mega question for the UPSC 2023, and as you know, we provide you note 1, note 2, note 3, 5 question daily. So see, one of the basically related to the young earth, another is the nearby protostar, and another question. So see here, another is detection of the disk, and another is V883 Orionis, and another is the basically the meteorite and earth water. So all these 5 questions, please, for all these 5 questions, please go to the description box for the detailed answer and the detail. So you please go to the description box and click the link and solve these 5 questions, and all the analysis and all that answers are given. So that's why. So please subscribe our channel, tell your friends and colleagues, and download our app for the more test. So you can easily join free test, free live class, and all that in our this app. And also, if you're willing to donate, then please help our team. So scan this and help our team. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot.